Hello, welcome once again to our tutorial. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to thread the sewing machine. Remember, in the last video I told you that this one we call it thread, for those who doesn't know what thread is. Yes, this one is thread. So I'm going to show you how to thread the sewing machine as a beginner. So the first step you're going to do is to put your thread. Some sewing machine come with an iron in this place where the thread is fixed at the top of the machine, while some come with the one that is down here. So like this one that come with this one here. So for you to thread the machine properly, you use the thread, the mouth of the thread like this, you pass the thread, if you like, you pass it across the body or the handle of the machine. You pass it across, then you turn it to the pressure bar through this side. You turn it to the pressure bar through this side. This is how you turn it. Then the second thing you're going to do is to turn it down to the tension. Turn the rope or the thread or whatsoever down to the tension and turn it around the tension. This is it. Turn it like this down to the tension, turn it around the tension. After you turn it around the tension, then you put the mouth of the thread into the pressure bar like this. This is what you do. You remove it down. When you remove it down, then you bring it to this minor tension. After you've done this, then you come down to the needle. Some needle come with a lower tension in this place. Just around the needle there's a lower tension here, but this one there's no lower tension. So by doing this, the next thing to do is to turn your wheel, your balance wheel up, so that your needle will go up. After turning your balance wheel up, your needle goes up. Then you use the mouth of the thread. There is a hole in the needle. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole in the needle. Then you use the mouth of the thread and put it in the hole. You put it in the hole like this, like this. Like this. Hope you can see it. When you put it like this, then you draw it through this side. So now we have our thread in the needle. From the thread round here to the pressure wheel, to the pressure bar, to the tension, down to the needle. So then the next thing you do, inside this place there is something we call the shuttle. The shuttle is inside. This is the shuttle here. So you remove the shuttle like this. There is something inside the shuttle that we call reeler. So this is it. This is where you reel another thread to it. When you reel another thread to this reeler, then you put it in the shuttle. like this. When you put it in the shuttle like this, then you draw it down this way. After you draw it down this way, this is where the thread will come out. You see it? It will come out like this. Then you return the shuttle back to where we remove it. So we are putting back the shuttle again. Then the next thing we'll do is to bring it up. We'll paddle it and bring it up. So you see, this is what we push, paddle it a bit, and the needle goes down and it brings up. You see two threads, the down thread and the up thread. So that is how we will do and bring up our thread, our double thread, before we start our stitch, first stitch. So I hope you understand this, how to wire or how to thread your machine before your first stitch. So on the next video, I'm going to teach you more about stitching and how you start your stitching.